Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lulu. In today's video, I introduce BONOSS electric class with spaces for Lotus. It is round with spaces for Lotus electric car. These BONOSS Lotus with spaces are made of steel or aluminum, installed between the hub assembly and the wheel. Pushing the wheels out to provide a more compact stance and increase the distance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality Lotus wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. Compared with others, this hollow-out design of BONOSS forged wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption. Improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS forged wheel spacers are made of high-grade aluminum alloy 6061 T6 and aluminum alloy 7075 T6, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant. BONOSS wheel spacers are designed with better multi-state half-century links. The half-century metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding half spacers, which eliminates any possible gaps. Most Lotus customers not only desire the power of sturdy vehicle, but also have a high demand for handling the vehicle. This can be reflected in both steering and braking. Precise half-century wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. In order to further optimize the half-century connections, that's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS Lotus wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.